Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Mailchimp step-by-step. If you're trying to get into email marketing, Mailchimp is one of the easiest tools to start with, but only if you set it up properly. A lot of beginners rush through the setup, skip key steps, and then get confused when it's time to actually send emails or manage contacts. Start by opening Mailchimp. Then click on Sign Up. You'll be asked to select a plan. For beginners, choose Free Plan. Clarification: the free plan is enough to start, and you can upgrade later if needed. You'll see options to sign up with your business email or other accounts. For now, click Continue with Google. Clarification: this makes login faster and links your account to your Google email. Now fill in your full name, business name, and phone number. Then agree to the terms by checking the boxes. Click Next. Now enter your business details, the city, address, zip code, and country. Click Next. Clarification: this is required for legal email compliance. Now select the niche that best describes your organization. Example: we chose professional services. You'll be asked, what marketing channels are important to you? So select all that apply. Now choose what tools you currently use. Clarification: this helps Mailchimp suggest integrations, but it's not critical. Next, you'll be asked to import your brand by pasting a link. You can add it or skip it for now. Choose your industry from the drop-down. Then click Confirm. Mailchimp will ask you to add contacts. You can import contacts or skip for later. You'll also be prompted to connect apps. Again, you can skip this for now. Once your account is ready, you can add contacts, connect apps, create campaigns, etc. To send an email, click Create Email. You'll see a list of templates. Some are paid and some are free. Choose a free template. Now customize your email. Add text, insert images, and edit layout. Clarification: this is where you design your message. Once done, click Save and exit the editor. You can send it later or continue editing. Using Mailchimp properly helps you build an audience and communicate effectively through email. To summarize, using Mailchimp involves signing up, entering your business details, selecting your niche and tools, skipping optional steps if needed, and then creating and editing your first email using templates. This sets up your email marketing system from scratch. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.